took a little time off for the holidays that ended up being a little bit longer than I anticipated. I'm working on a few things for this channel and a few outside projects, but I'm back. And for this video, I'm building one of my favorite designs, my Willow speaker. It's a stereo-powered Bluetooth speaker with an all-hardwood enclosure using birch and a solid walnut front baffle. If you're interested in building your first Bluetooth speaker, this is kind of a good place to start. The budget isn't huge and the woodworking isn't too excessive. I'll leave some links down in the description. This video is sponsored by Storyblocks. Storyblocks Audio is your one-stop shop for royalty-free stock audio. You get unlimited downloads from studio-quality audio clips, loops, music tracks, and sound effects with your membership. All content is royalty-free, so you can use them for commercial or personal projects like YouTube videos. The last time Storyblocks Audio sponsored one of my videos, I told you about the podcast my wife Jen and I are starting. We're getting closer to releasing the first few episodes, and I'm using Storyblocks Audio for the intro theme music. I found a bunch of stuff over there that worked really well for what we're doing, and I think it might be a good source for your next creative project. If you happen to be starting your own podcast or YouTube channel, or maybe you just make some music, I suggest checking them out. Click the link down in the description to learn more about Storyblocks Audio. lot of plans this year for this channel and outside the channel, and I just want to take a second while looking back at 2018 and thank all of you that comment and interact with this little community here. I really appreciate you guys for sticking around and making this channel possible. I've got some big projects coming up, so if you haven't subscribed yet, get on it, and leave me a comment with what you guys want to see me build next. If you're interested in building your own DIY speaker, head over to kmakits.com to get some more information. All right, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.